A very warm welcome to all the respected dignitaries and audience present over here. I am Tanya Kakad from MIT World Peace University, Pune. And today I will be speaking on government scholarship schemes and their implementations. Education is not just a personal right, but also a tool of social justice. In India, where historical inequalities have created deep socio-economic divides, the state has taken proactive measures of affirmative actions. Scholarships are one such instrument, designed to ensure that no student is deprived of education because of poverty, caste, gender, or regional disadvantage. Let me tell you, according to the All India Survey on Higher Education, the gross enrollment ratio in higher education has risen to 28.4%, but disparities across communities and genders persist. To address this, the government has introduced a range of scholarship schemes like post-matric scholarship schemes for SCs and OBCs, central sector scholarship schemes which benefits around 3 lakh meritorious students every year, Pragati schemes for girl students in technical education. Let me tell you that the union budget allotted nearly 6,000 crore rupees for scholarships and fellowships for SCs, STs, OBCs and minorities. The Ministry of Minority Affairs reported that between 2014 and 2022, scholarships were disbursed to 1.8 crore students. This figure shows that scholarship schemes are not symbolic but have wide outreach. Internationally, these efforts resonate with Sustainable Development Goal 4, which aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all by 2030. By eliminating gender and caste disparities and expanding access to higher education, scholarships are India's contribution to this global goal. Yet, implementation challenges remain. A Parliamentary Standing Committee of 2022 highlighted delays in fund release, uneven coverage across states, and lack of awareness in rural areas. Students often face technical glitches on National Scholarship Portal, cumbersome paperwork, and Aadhaar-related exclusions. In some cases, leakages and duplication of beneficiaries reduce the effectiveness of schemes. Solutions, however, are emerging. The direct benefit transfer, that is DBT system, has improved efficiency by ensuring funds directly reach students' bank account. The National Scholarship Portal has centralized processes, enhancing transparency. States are conducting awareness camps and simplifying procedures. Strengthened monitoring and grievance redressal can further improve last mile delivery. Government scholarship schemes are not just financial aid, my friend. They are instruments of empowerment that transform lives and strengthen the nation's human capital. They altogether combine the spirit of social justice, affirmative action, and inclusive growth. As rightly said by Benjamin Franklin, that an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. By effectively implementing these schemes, India not only fulfills its constitutional promise under Article 46 of promoting education for weaker sections, but also advances the global agenda of Sustainable Development Goal 4. Most importantly, it aligns with the Modi government's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas or Sabka Prayas, ensuring that no child is behind in the journey of nation building. Thank you so much.